In this video, we show a few examples of the DevOps Aviator in action. For example, as a test engineer, I can use the DevOps Aviator to assist me in authoring the test scripts to cover new or existing features. First, I open the Features board in the Backlog module. Select the features for which I wish to create the test coverage. In the Test tab of the feature, I click Generate Test with Aviator. Using all information set for this feature, the DevOps Aviator returns a collection of suggested tests. I select the ones I wish to use and add them as the covering test of the feature. I drill down to one of the tests to see its script. I can use the DevOps Aviator further to turn these manual tests that were just created, and any other manual tests for that matter, to codeless automated tests. I select the tests and click Generate Codeless Test. Now, the DevOps Aviator turns the manual script to a codeless test script. I drill down to a codeless test script, and I continue to open it in Design. Here we see the codeless script that was just generated by the DevOps Aviator, ready to be executed on the application under test. I do so by clicking Run. Now the codeless test agent automatically manipulates the browser to run the application and follow the steps of the script. As the run completes, we see the execution result of each step. In many cases, the resource I have is a video recording of a flow. I can ask further assistance from the DevOps Aviator to generate a manual test script from the video. I open an empty test, and in the Aviator pane, I click Generate Test Steps from Video. Here is a sample video running a short flow over an SAP UI. I add this video as an attachment to the test and click the Generate Steps in the DevOps Aviator pane. And I get the steps as they are represented in the video. The DevOps Aviator can assist product owners as well. For example, to offer completions to a feature's specification. Back in the Features board, I drill down to a feature that already have its specification defined. And I ask the DevOps Aviator to identify missing aspects in the specification. And I get it. As a product owner or dev lead, I can make further use of the DevOps Aviators to suggest a breakdown of the feature to user stories. The power of AI is put to use also for better prediction of delivery dates of features. For that, I switch from the board view to the timeline view. Here we see for every feature a flag indicating its predicted delivery date, that of the highest probability. The range marked before and after the flag indicates the probable range of delivery. If the milestone set for the feature falls before the start of the predicted range, then we mark this feature with high risk to be delivered on time. If the milestone falls within the predicted range, we mark it with medium risk. If the milestone falls after the predicted range, it gets a low-risk indication. Using these indicators, I can filter the view to show only high-risk features and decide on the possible mitigations, for example, postponing the feature to a later milestone or release. These are but a few examples of using the DevOps Aviator. There are plenty more for you to explore.